What if one day, the world's greatest city was built high above the clouds, not on land, not on an island, but floating thousands of meters in the sky? It may sound impossible today, but future engineers are already exploring technologies that could completely transform the way cities are built. As Earth's population continues to grow, cities become more crowded, land becomes more expensive, and extreme weather creates new challenges. Some scientists believe future cities may expand upward instead of outward. Artificial intelligence could become the brain behind these incredible floating structures. Before construction even begins, AI could analyze weather patterns, wind speeds, air pressure, and structural safety millions of times faster than humans. Once the perfect location is selected, thousands of autonomous construction drones could begin assembling giant floating platforms high above the clouds. Every robot would perform a different task. Some would build skyscrapers, others would install energy systems, transportation networks, and communication equipment. Artificial intelligence would coordinate every movement with incredible precision. If one drone stopped working, another would immediately replace it. Construction could continue day and night without interruption. The result would be an entirely new kind of city, built with speed, accuracy, and almost perfect coordination. Above the clouds, the future of human civilization could begin in ways we have never imagined before.
But a floating city is much more than tall buildings. It would need clean energy, fresh water, reliable transportation, and safe places for millions of people to live. Artificial intelligence could manage all of these systems at the same time. Power from giant solar arrays, high-altitude wind turbines, and advanced energy storage systems would be balanced automatically every second. If one power source became weaker, AI would instantly redirect electricity, keeping the entire city running without interruption. Water could be collected from the atmosphere, purified through intelligent recycling systems, and distributed wherever it was needed. Inside the city, autonomous air taxis, flying buses, and delivery drones would travel through carefully planned sky routes. Artificial intelligence would monitor every flight, prevent traffic, avoid collisions, and guide every vehicle safely to its destination. Hospitals, schools, research laboratories, and public parks would all be connected through one intelligent digital network. AI could also predict dangerous weather hours before it arrives, helping protect the city from strong winds and powerful storms. Every sensor, every camera, and every system would work together, creating a city that is safer, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. Little by little, what once seemed like science fiction could become a remarkable engineering achievement. As the floating city continues to grow, artificial intelligence would become the invisible system connecting everything together. It could monitor energy, transportation, water supplies, air quality, and public safety every second of every day. If an unexpected problem appeared, AI could identify it within moments, alert emergency teams, and help restore normal operations before it affected thousands of people. Instead of reacting after something goes wrong, the system would constantly look for early warning signs, helping the city stay safe and efficient. Future research centers could develop cleaner energy technologies, smarter transportation, and better environmental systems. Green parks, vertical forests, and rooftop gardens could improve air quality while creating beautiful spaces above the clouds. Of course, building a floating city would require major scientific breakthroughs, careful engineering, and international cooperation. Many technical challenges still remain, and no one knows exactly when such a city could become reality. But every year, artificial intelligence becomes more capable, robotics become more advanced, and engineers continue exploring ideas that once seemed impossible. The cities of tomorrow may look very different from the cities we know today. And if humanity ever builds communities above the clouds, artificial intelligence could become one of the technologies that helps make that future possible. The future is not only about building higher, it is about building smarter. One day, the skyline of the future may not rise from the ground, but float above the clouds. And if that day ever comes, artificial intelligence could become the invisible force, helping millions of people